What we covered last class, our syllabus? Hey, people are sending homework. Things I'm not getting from you people homework. Very few people are sending, not all. N Pragadish, DSRV. You sent homework still now? Most of the people, I didn't see your names when you are sending. KNMS Tuvalli Suresh. KVS, I think so Shekhar, na? Shekhar, even Blossom, Arvind, Sharwanan Kumaran. No, I didn't get sir these people. Gautam Santosh. I didn't get from you anything. Still now I think so. Harish Maha 12th. Harish. And KVSS 12th. SR Harish. Why you people didn't send a homework still now? Seekers host, please allow them to send SMS. I have to get feedback from them. If you block that one, please allow them. Thank you. Why didn't send still now homework? If you are not sending homework means that meaningless. You are not studying at all. Well, this just backup only. You are doing or not, I have to follow up. No? Minimum thing that is. Just listening and going means that's meaningless. No use of that one. Simply time waste for you. Why don't send you people still now homework? From yours, I think so. This need batch 2 only. I got very few people. Most of the people didn't send homework. Either you have to send to seekers, otherwise I given my WhatsApp number. You have to send that is. Remaining people not responding anything. Only 2 people they are responding, sir. Only 2 people. I will make you unmute. Then you have to talk right now. You have to give proper answers. If you are silent means now we can send through SMS. That is better. Then I will make unmute. Then you have to give proper answer. You're getting my point? That is difficult to give. Okay. Okay, fine. You can take sir directly unmute them. All you are unmute only, na? Maha 12th Harish. Respond that one. Why you didn't given homework still now? What you done? Open on your video also. I need to see that one. On your video also. Still you are not responding anyone. Huh? I'm calling name wise. Why you are not responding? I don't know the reason. I called Harish something name. Why don't respond sir still now? Yes sir, Harish. And Maha 12th Harish. Both I asking you. You are not responding anything. Okay. And very few people are responding, sir. Remaining people just to log in, then you are not listening anything. You hardly are responding. Even 10 members are hardly. Only 10. In that too, only 2 people they are responding. Nagarjuna and Gautam Santosh. Remaining nothing, sir. No one is. Who is the host, please? Seekers, let me know your name, please. Seekers person. Who is staying here? Are you hear me? Seekers? Vishnu, who is that NEET batch 2 hosting now? Seekers from Seekers. And if you are not doing work means what we can do, sir, then? Simply waste, no? Then I will go simply NCERT. Why I have to teach all these things? Then who are interesting, those people only will respond more. Already I told you very clearly, I'm expecting very small things, not too many things. Just 10 to 15 questions and class notes rough work. But suppose I didn't get today onwards your homework, sir. I don't want any reasons. I need perfectly. Okay. Then I will call directly people. Directly. Without work, how can you then? Then we are teaching, you are not practicing. Then you will get after 2 days, 3 days. I didn't understand, sir, anything. Then we are going to be search reasons, sir. 100 reasons we are going to be search. You know that one? because of online, sir, we didn't understand, offline, too many things is going to be happen. But first, where did you practice? I need to know that one. After that only I can accept your understanding or not. How many rough papers we completed? I need to know that one, each student. After I am teaching, where did you practice same content on rough paper? How many times we practice that one? After that one, I will accept everything good from you people. But basic thing I'm expecting, I told very clearly, I don't want to accept these things. This is the first and last for you people. If I given work means that should be complete. Don't take light and all these things, sir. There is too much competition, huh? Even for board exam also not easy, that one. So this is the first and last I'm expecting from you people. I'm not expecting this type of things. You should be done your work. That's only. I don't want any reasons. Okay. If you're not understanding, let me know that one. I will try my best. Again, I will teach. But if you are not doing work means I can't help you anything. This is what we completed last class. Normality completed. Then write next molality. Or you hear me? Send me response. My voice. Okay. Next class again I will ask Kumar. Today only have to send end of the day or tomorrow morning. Either seekers, any contact people, otherwise you can send to me. Doesn't matter. I will validate that is. Okay. But work should be done. But suppose you are not responding. Next class, immediately I will call who are conducting seekers host. Then you will get called directly to your parents right now. Immediately within the class only. You have to respond then. Fine. Next, molality. Small m is the symbol, right? N moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. So units, n moles per kg, sir. This is units also same thing. Units, you can write units very easily. Mole per kg, because from definition. From unit you can write formula. Small m equal to mole formula. I hope you know n symbol per kg. So n equal to what is the formula, sir? Weight by gram molecular mass into, if you convert kg into grams, 1000 by w grams of solvent. This is the formula for molality. It is temperature independent. Means by increasing temperature or changing temperature, molality won't be changed. Suppose we prepared one solution, that solution have one molality. By changing temperature means cold conditions, maybe increasing or decreases temperature, but molality of the solution doesn't change. That's we call temperature independent. Because there's no volume term in this formula. If volume term is there, by changing temperature, volume also going to be changed. Volume also going to be changed. Then volume changes means concentration going to be changed. But here there is no volume term. That's why temperature independent. Right question? calculate molality of, note down parallelly. Next. Try these two questions. Formula in front of you, already we done molarity, normality, so many things, sir. How to substitute formula, you know that one. You no need to wait again solving. Already we done some concentration methods, you have some experience, you make and write. VRMS 12th A, Surya. Give answer, at least one question. VRMS 12th A, Surya. Give at least one question answer. I will ask all people, sir. Some people you have to respond answer. Array, next time I will make unmute and I will call immediately to your parents, sir, your number. If you are not responding, you have to give answer either correct or wrong. That's whatever. You are not trying means that's up to you. I won't leave, sir. You should be participate. First sum 0.4. I will check it. Next person. VRMS 12th A, Vimal Raj. Next, PSCN 12th A, Preeti. 12th A, Preeti. Please provide, madam, your answer. Vimal Raj, fine. Next, remaining people. I will ask next time. Image you have to share that one. So you done or not problem like that. What is the process you are going to be do? That's also I'm going to be ask you. You can try here now. First write formula, molality equal to, every time you need to write formula then substitute. Without writing formula also don't substitute. Now okay, but later you can't remember formula. What is the given, sir? W grams, solvent or solution? Only solvent. So substitute here. W is 1.1, molecular weight is 111, 1000 by 250. So calculate, this is 4 times. This is 1 by 10. Is it correct? So 4 by 10 is your answer, nothing but 0.4. 0.4, at least write small m or mole per kg. 0.4 mole per kg. Keep in mind, this is your answer. Next, second question. Right. Same again. Molality equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by W grams of solvent. So W is 49 they given. 98 is the molecular weight of H2SO4. 1000 by what is the solvent weight? This is solution weight, sir. 250 grams of solution. What is the solution formula? Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. So solution 250 and solute is 49. What is the solvent weight? So W solvent equal to 250 minus 49, nothing but 201. Substitute here 201 grams. Then calculate. That's your answer. This is 2 times. Things you can get here 500 by 201. Check it your answer. 2 point something you will get. Calculate. What's the answer? Final by 201. 2.48. Correct? I think you understood. We're expecting. So why you took, sir, 201? That's you need to understand. Calculation part you can get. This is only solvent. Every student they are doing mistake here only. Keep in mind what I given in the formula. Only solvent. Please underline that one with a different color. You can underline, sir, and make it star mark whatever. Next time you should not do mistake. If anyone who done mistake, that is solvent. Only solvent you have to use. Clear? Next, right? Mole fraction. Mole fraction symbol is capital X. A fraction, I hope you know already. Just I'm asking. This is the one. Assume vessel. It contain black color spheres. Okay, or you can assume balls, whatever. These are green color. Check it. Now question is, what is the fraction of red color balls? What is the fraction of red color balls? Red color balls by total number of balls. How many total numbers are? 9. 2 by 9. What is the black color's fraction? Black color balls fraction. 3 by 9. Is it correct? What is the green color fraction, sir? 4 by 9. Is it correct? Anything wrong? Yeah, like that only. Mole fraction means in terms of moles you have to do fraction. Is it clear? So now we are going to take one example here. So this is a mixture of one gaseous mixture I'm taking here. Assume that one gas A is present. Any component you can take, sir. Gas, not only gas, any components. A, B is there, even C also. And Na is the moles of A. N symbol is moles. I hope you know already. Nb is moles of B. Nc is moles of C. So mole fraction of A I am asking. You can write moles of A by total number of moles. Na plus Nb plus Nc. Same thing you can take mole fraction of B equal to how much, sir? Moles of B by total number of moles. Can you write moles of C? So this is the formula. But some of the fractions should be equal to 1. Like XA plus XB plus XC equal to 1. Some of the fractions should be equal to 1. Even by calculating values also you'll get same thing, sir. Note down this is. Once completed, let me know that one. Try to note down a little bit fast. Write one question. Try to solve. Calculate the mole fraction of X of each component. Write it. These two are present, sir. And I'm doing one more. All these are present in one mixture. What is the mole fraction of each component? If you want to calculate mole fraction, first you have to know number of moles of each component first. Then only can do. First your target is calculation of number of moles, right? Once completed, let me know that one. Okay. Yes, all components you need to calculate. The calculate number of moles NCH4 1.6 by 16. N acetic acid 6 by 60. 60 the molecular weight. .4 by 64.1. Clear? So all are equal mole fractions. Is correct? So mole fraction of CH4 equal to moles of CH4 by total number of moles 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. So how much will get? 1 by 3. So similarly remaining also. Are you getting my point? Each component is 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Understood? Next, right? Relationship between small m and x. X is the mole fraction, m is the molality. Write it. XB by XA equal to NB by, suppose I am taking here two components, sir. A and B only is there. Na is the number of moles, sorry, Nb is the number of moles of B by mole fraction means Na plus Nb by here Xa nothing but Na by Na plus Nb. So I can get here Nb by Na. Nothing but Nb I am keeping like that. Na nothing but weight of A by molecular weight of A. I can write, sir. N equal to formula weight by molecular weight. Now we can write Nb into Ma by Wa. Now we are multiplying both side numerator and denominator, sir. Multiplying with respect to 1000. So nothing but XB by XA equal to. So we can write here, which is I am underlining part, you can check, sir. Only keep in bracket. This is nothing but molality. Now only I given. A is the solvent, you can take, sir. A is solvent. And B is solute. So mixture of A and B I am taking. A is solvent, B is solute. Now check it. So xb by xa equal to what you can write, sir, which is rounded part is molality into ma by 1000. So I can write molality equal to xb by xa into 1000 by ma. This is the relationship between molality and mole fraction. Only two things is there, only a and b is there. I can write total sum of the fractions equal to how much, sir? 1. So x a equal to what can write? 1 minus xb, xb equal to what you can write? 1 minus xa. Anything you can write, sir, both are same. Can you substitute only in terms of solute? m equal to xb nothing more means mole fraction of solute by 1 minus xb into 1000 by ma. In terms of this is only solute. In terms of solvent, 1 minus xa by xa into 1000 by ma. Let's check it. I am substituting in place of xb 1 minus xa. That's we got second formula. In place of xa, I can write 1 minus xb. We got first one. Check it. What is the ma means? Molecular weight of solvent. ma equal to molecular weight of solvent. Please note down, sir. Molecular weight of solvent. Now write one previous question. Please note down. If anyone you are not noted down, please note down. I'll wait. Once completed, let me know that one. Any doubt you can answer again. Let's explain. Most doubt here which the underlying part are cancelling it. In place of Na, I am substituting weight by molecular weight. Then this Ma will go up. We are getting here. Then I am dividing both side 1000 by 1000. It will be cancelled. That won't be change any value. But N by WA, A means solvent already given. A WA means solvent here. So weight number of moles per solvent into 1000 we called molality. Now only done 2 times questions. I'm taking this is okay. Rounded part is molality. What is the remaining part? Ma by 1000. Ma by 1000. Then m I kept here. I took everything inside. Now xb by xa into 1000 by ma. We got this is the formula. Now in place of xb, right? xa plus xb equal to 1. Then xb equal to 1 minus xa. Check it. Any doubt here? Check it out here. Doubt, you can solve one problem. Okay. You're not asking means you understand everything. Only I can understand. Okay. I think one question there is neat question. It's 2 times they ask that one. Try to see the question. Right. Calculate mole fraction of 1 molar solution. Mole fraction. 1 molar solution. Mole fraction of solute. This is aqueous, sir, not mole. This is not molar. Please note down mole. Molal. Molal means small m. Molality. Molality is 1 m. Allow me to share in first. Please allow me to share my screen. Okay, solve question. And your homework is, sir, NCERT textbook up to page number 39. Up to page number 13, all molality mole fraction based questions. All molality mole fraction based questions you need to solve. That's your homework. Clear? And every